Problem 7. Find an equation for the a tangent line and then b normal line to the graph of f of x equals 3x cubed plus 2x at the point 1, 5. So if I'm looking for an equation of a tangent line, I do know that my final answer is going to be a y equals mx plus b. So I'll just keep that in mind. I do know in order to do this problem, I need the slope and I need a point. Well, I definitely have the point. To get the slope, since we're talking about a tangent line, I'm looking for the derivative. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually find the derivative of that function. The derivative of that function would be 9x squared plus 2. And that's just using the power rule, taking my 3 out front, and then reducing the power by 1. Okay, now where do we want to find the derivative at? We want to find the derivative at x equals 1. So when we find the derivative at 1, plug in 1, I will get a derivative of 11. And remember what that gave me was the slope. All right, so now I have the slope and I have a point, so I'll do y equals mx plus b. I know my y value is 5. I know my slope is 11. I know my x value is 1 plus b. So I'll get 5 equals 11 plus b. If I subtract 11, I'll get b equals negative 6. So the equation of my tangent line will be y equals 11x minus 6. And this all was part A. Okay, for part B, it says I need an equation of the normal line. If the slope of the tangent line was 11, a normal line is perpendicular, so I know the slope of a perpendicular line to 11 would be negative 1/11. I did the opposite reciprocal. So that's my slope. I still have the same point. So if I write y equals mx plus b, my y value is 5, my slope is negative 1/11, my x value is 1 plus b. This will be 5 equals negative 1/11 plus b. I will then add 1/11 to both sides. And unfortunately, this is an easy problem. 5 plus 1/11 is 5 and 1/11. So I didn't need to get a common denominator or anything. So the equation of my normal line will be y equals negative 1/11 x plus 5 and 1/11.